In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome "Aw snap." The "Aw snap" message usually means Chrome couldn't load a page. It's most often a quick hiccup tied to memory, extensions, or a flaky connection. We'll start with the fastest fixes and work our way to the advanced ones so you can get back to browsing smoothly. First, simply reload the page. Press F5 or click the refresh icon. Many temporary crashes clear up with a quick reload, especially if the page timed out or hit a minor glitch. Next, confirm your internet is actually working. Check that your Wi-Fi or data is connected and try loading a different website. If other sites fail too, you're looking at a connection issue rather than a Chrome problem. Weak or unstable connections can trigger that error even when everything else is fine. If the error persists, fully close Chrome and reopen it. Make sure all browser windows are closed before launching it again. This can clear a stuck process or a small bug that's holding the tab hostage. If you've been typing into a form, copy your text first so you don't lose it. Now let's clean up common causes. Clear your cache and cookies by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. In the dialog, select Cached Images and Files and Cookies, then click Clear Data. Corrupted cache can break pages, and a fresh start often fixes rendering issues. Keep in mind this may sign you out of some sites. Test in incognito mode with Ctrl plus Shift plus N, then open the same site. If the page loads here, it points to an extension or a setting in your regular profile as the culprit. To confirm, visit Chrome/extensions and toggle everything off. Restart Chrome and try the page again. If it works, turn your extensions back on one at a time, testing as you go until you find the one causing the crash. You can keep it off or look for an update or alternative. If you still see the error, turn off hardware acceleration. Go to Settings, then System, and switch off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Restart Chrome. This helps if your GPU or a graphics driver is behind the crashes. Update Chrome by opening the menu, choosing Help, then About Chrome. Install any available update and relaunch. Updates patch bugs that can trigger "Aw snap." If needed, restart your computer to clear background apps that may be interfering. As a last resort, reset Chrome. Go to Settings, then Reset and Clean Up, and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This fixes broken configurations. It won't remove your bookmarks or saved passwords, but it will disable extensions and clear temporary data. "Aw snap" often comes from too many tabs consuming memory, problematic extensions, corrupted cache, an outdated Chrome version, or GPU issues. Keep Chrome updated, limit heavy tabs, and review extensions periodically to prevent it from returning.